So we're gonna do 8, medium-high heat. We're gonna add some vegetable broth, about 2 tablespoons. We're gonna cover it, medium-high heat. See you in 5 minutes. 4 ounces of vegetable broth. I'm gonna add it here. I'm gonna deglaze the pan. Okay. So the 2 tablespoons of vegetable broth that we had, we evaporated. It's cooked. It's creating a nice grill. Okay, so now what I want to do is deglaze it with 4 ounces of vegetable broth. So here we go. I turn the heat to high because that is gold. That's what I want to scrape off, see? And I'm going to use to blend. And at the same time, my cameraman doesn't have to do a hardcore dishes. See? So clean. Look at that.
Appreciate you, bro. Thank you.
There you go. Okay. So it's nice. The pan is nice and clean. Deglazing the pan, that's what it's called.
Yeah, you can clean it more.
Let's go blend it.
That was nice.
Yeah, I have. I'm gonna add now 1 tablespoon of Thickener. I think it's gonna need an extra tablespoon of Thickener. So I mean 2 tablespoons of Thickener for 8 sausage patties. Take it. Nothing is dripping. Goes to the prongs for easy. Okay. Spoon test. Sideways. Flick it. That's perfection in my book. All right, let's try it. Sausage.
You got it on?
I'm on.
You're on? Know what you're doing?
I'll taste it.
It was good. That's sausage. That's all I need to know. That's good. I say that surprisingly, but that's good sausage.
If you like the videos, please hit the like button, subscribe, follow us, give me tips. Let me know what would you like me to puree for you.
You think you can handle the challenges?
I can handle any challenge. Bring it on.
Ooh, okay. All right.